Using Venn diagrams to do lowest common multiples and highest common factors. The prime factors of 6 are, well, 3 times 2 is 6. The prime factors of 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Yeah, no problem now. They've both got 2 in common. So there's 2 times 5, there's 3 times 2. So the lowest common multiple is those, with the things they have in common put in the middle. Those multiplied together, 3 times 2 times 5. The union of these is 3 times 2 times 5, which is 30. Lowest common multiple, the lowest common multiple between 6 and 10. If you do the 6 times table and the 10 times table, they've both got 60 in common, but the lowest number they have in common is 30. Tick. The lowest common multiple is written LCM. LCM is the smallest number in both the 6 and the 10 times table. Intersection, that sign, equals 2. The intersection is the bit they have between them. The highest common factor equals 2. Prime factors of 4. The prime factors of 10. Well, 4 is 2 times 2. And they've got 2 in common, because 10 is 2 times 5. The union, which is the union, yeah, is 2 times 2 times 5. That's 4 times 5, 20. The lowest common multiple, if you do the 4 times table and the 10 times table, yes, 40 is in both times tables, but the lowest number that's in both times table is 20. Ching. The highest common factor is the thing in the middle. What they have in common is 2. HCF equals 2. HCF is the biggest times table that both numbers are in. Yeah, that's in the 2 times table. 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 2 times table. 2 times table. The biggest times table that both of them are in. This is called a Venn diagram. Right, the prime factors of 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. The prime factors of 12. Now you're using only just prime numbers here, not 6 times 2 or 4 times 2, just breaking it up into its very prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Things that are in no other times table apart from their own and the 1 times table. 1 is not a prime number though, otherwise the whole of maths falls apart. Oh, well, that bit falls apart. Right, okay, so 8. For the 8 Venn diagram circle, it's 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. For the 12 Venn diagram circle, it's 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. The union, the union of them is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Well, that's worth 8. 8 times 3, 24. The lowest common multiple is 24. Oh, yes. If you do the 8 times table and the 12 times table, the first number that they've got in both their times tables is 24. 3 times 8, 2 times 12, yeah. The intersection is the bit in the middle, the intersection of it. 2 times 2 is 4. The highest common factor equals 4. I think I'll get rid of that, edit my page a bit. The lowest common multiple, LCM, the highest common factor is 4, the lowest common multiple. And the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. Multiply, it's going to be a big number. Whereas the factors are the numbers that cut together to make it. The prime factors of 16, well, it's 2. 16 equals 2 times 8. 68 is break up into 2 times 4. 16 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Whew. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and 12 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 3. So 2 times 2 goes in the middle. 2 times 2 there, 3 there. Cool. Okay, is that okay? Everyone's got that? That's the 12, that's the 16. They're the prime numbers. Those multiply together to give 16. Those multiply to give 12. This is what they've both got. The thing they've got in common is 2 2s timesing together. Cool. The lowest common multiple of 16 and 12. The multiple, so it's multiplying. So, well, they got lots and lots of big numbers in common, but like the smallest, the lowest one that's in both times tables is 12 times 4, 48. I did that. It's 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, but I know 3 times 2 times 2 is 12, and I've just got it times by 4. 12 times 4 times table 48. Yeah. Highest common factor of 16. Oh, what do they have in common? 4, 2 times 2. This is a Venn diagram. Okay, prime factors. Prime factors of 9 are 3 times 3. Prime factors of 12 is 3 times 2 times 2. Cool. The lowest common multiple is common multiple. So it's that lot times 3. 12 times 3, 36. 36. Another bit of editing for my page of my book. It's 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, which equals 36. The highest common factor, what do they have in common? Oh, 3. And another bit to get rid of. On the back of this sheet, oh, I'll do it on the front, I think. Draw the Venn diagram. Venn diagram. HCF and LCM of 36. 36. 36 is 2 times 18. 18 is broken up into 2 times 9. 9 is broken up into 3 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 gives 36. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Yeah. So there's the 36 one. Don't put anything in it yet. Okay, there's the 42 one, because 42 equals 2 times 21. 21 is not in the 2 times table. 21's in the 3 times 7. So what do they have in common? They've got a 2 and a 3 each. Okay, right. That's what they've got in common. They both have. Common is what you both have. Common things everybody's got. Right, 2 times 3 times 7 equals 42. Check. 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 equals 36. Check. Right, okay, the thing they have in common, the highest common factor equals 2 times 3 is 6. The lowest common multiple is that lot. So I can either do it as 36 times 7, but better for my head is doing 46 times 6. 42. 42 times 6. 42 times 6. 6 2s are 12. 24. 252. Ching, ching. Good. There's my card. If your mum or your dad wants me to help you with your maths or science, press like, press subscribe. If your mum or your dad wants me to help with your GCSEs, IBs, HSCs, SATs, then get in contact with me at goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. HK is Hong Kong, because I work in schools in Hong Kong, and if you live in mid-levels in Hong Kong, I can come and help you out, and I do home tutoring in mid-levels.